Hello and welcome to another eTop how-to tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to clear your cache and your cookies in both Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. First, open up Google Chrome and select the three dots in the top right-hand corner. Then, select Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see Privacy and Security, followed by Clear Browsing Data. Underneath here, you'll see checkboxes, the two most important being cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Once these are all selected, select the appropriate time range. For this, we will select all of time. Then, go to Clear Data. Next, we will open up Microsoft Edge, and there will be similar instructions in the top right-hand corner. Select the three dots, go down to Settings. On the left, you'll see Privacy, Search, and Services. Then scroll down and you'll find Clear Browsing Data. Underneath, you'll find a button that says Choose What to Clear. In here, you'll find similar checkboxes. Make sure they're checked. Then select the appropriate time range, which again will do all of time. Now, click Clear Now. Thank you.